What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today I'm coming at y'all late, but better late than ever, man. But it's coming at y'all with the talking video. Or like I said, this is literally a update video. We get back to our regular scheduled programming tomorrow. I had this plan. I plan to do this video. I had just got finished shooting the video for y'all, which y'all gonna see tomorrow. But I had planned to shoot this yesterday, but it was a whole lot of stuff going on at the house. We got it situated. Not nothing bad or none of that. It's just normal house stuff, man. Repairs and all that. Septic stuff had backed up, man. It was just it's a nightmare, man. I had to get somebody out here ASAP rocket. But we got that straightened out. So back running. So you know how big in the family, all that come first. But y'all can see the title. We got the membership part is live, y'all. It's live, man. It's live. So how do you sign up? Now, I've been trying to navigate on the phone. I don't know if it's a way on the phone or maybe it's something I'm just missing, but it should be something that says become a member or something like that, some kind of membership button where you can become a member or a supporter or something like that. I got to get on the computer and see, cause I was trying to look at it through my phone and say it's live and set up. But the BCG Hangout, that's what it's called. It's called the BCG Hangout, man. The Brand Coat Gang Hangout. So what is this? I told y'all I had mentioned like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I was like, man, I'm right here like this cause it's raining too, y'all. But I had mentioned about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I said I was thinking about doing like a monthly subscription thing for my real people, cause I couldn't think of no other way to provide content and exclusive stuff besides that and keep it on YouTube. Like I saw a few of y'all throw out Patreon, which I could do Patreon, but there's something else people have to navigate to, and I'm looking at it like everybody's already on YouTube, so it'll be easier. It give me an extra option too when I upload videos. It got a members only thing. You got the public and you got the private stuff where can't nobody see none, but then you got the members only. So all the exclusive content gonna be for the members only. And like I said, cause with YouTube and social media, man, let me get a chill, man. Get a chill. I'm just standing up. I just got finished working out too. But with YouTube and social media, the thing about it is, I said I've been at this stuff probably. It's 2021, 2022 coming. Well, 2021. Let me give y'all the legitimate time frame. I've been on since 2006. My first upload was 2007, I believe. So, 14 years. So, 14 years, and I've seen this social media transform. I've been on since before YouTube, back in MySpace. Man, what else? Car Domain, Black Planet. Man, I've been on social media since social media first started popping off. All social sites and stuff. So I saw it grow, and that's how I learned the knowledge and got the knowledge I got. But thing I noticed is with social media, like you gonna have the good and the bad. They're just part of it. Me, I've learned to take the bad and monetize it, which is what I do. Many people don't learn that skill or whatever. It just come with time, which I ain't looking for people to learn that skill. It come with time, man. You got to be at a long time and learn how to maneuver people, you know, that come on the video. So, you know, it always in the back of my mind. It's just like anything else. You go in life and you gonna run across people that's fake, that act like they with you, and then you're gonna run across people that's really with you. but you got to learn how to distinguish one from the other, so you don't be treating everybody the same way, if you know what I mean. So basically, your genuine people who genuinely love you, you ain't treating them or giving them the same treatment as the people that's fake, you know. And me, I believe in showing that, like, nah, I rock with you differently than I rock with this person, because they show it. So that's what the BCG Hangout is. I mean, it's just about, like, it's gonna be a members only thing, and like exclusive access for the people to see exclusive content, because I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Cause like I told you, you know, you always show a person what you want to show them and everything. And I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff, like I did with Dolo. I did the same thing with Dolo. Did nobody know? I switched the engine and all of that. But in my mind, I'm like, man, I had a few people knew now that I personally know. The people that knew, I can count on two hands. Literally, I can count on two hands the people that knew what I was doing. Everybody else was blind to the fact, cause I did so fast too. But I was like, man, it's some people that watch on YouTube I know are genuine people, and y'all just wholeheartedly support me and my family or whatever. So it like, man, these some people like I would probably rock with in real life. If they were close like this and that, we'll probably get along and rock in real life. 'Cause I meet a lot of y'all in public, the ones that can't come out to the car meets and stuff. I meet y'all, get a chance to really talk to people and see where they at and what kind of wavelength they on. And I'm like, man, you know, it really some good people. It really some good people. So it like, you got some people, I look at them like, man, how can I give them the content? And I know they not going to run their mouth or tell nothing. So this is what the BCG Hangout is. So what it is, man, you pay $10 a month. Well, it's $9.99. Cause I couldn't set the prices. I mean, they got preset not package. They got preset amounts, and you just choose the one. You choose the one you want. So it like $9.99. That's what it is a month. So that's $120 a month. $120 a month. Y'all hear the money color off power steering pump. But like $120 a month. I said a month, a year, man. Then you're gonna get the exclusive content. And like I was saying in the live stream, it's gonna be at least, my goal is to at least shoot y'all 3 to 4 videos a month. It ain't gonna be daily, but it's gonna be 3 or 4 videos a month. But it's gonna be exactly what I got going on. We're gonna be talking like all the stuff, like I told y'all on the live stream, like ETs and all of that stuff. Like when I go to the track, y'all go on the track with me. Everybody else going. I mean, like I said, it is what it is. Everybody else going, but the video they'll see won't be the same video the BCG Hangout will see. So they'll get. Eventually, everybody will see everything, but it might be months down the line, just like I did with Dolo. Like I shot and switched the engine, and Dolo started shooting those video back in August, and by the beginning of September, I think I had the thing switched, and I just now showed the video in December. So if I had the BCG Hangout going already, then y'all would have already saw the video. Y'all would have knew what going on in real time. Like when I pulled the motor out, y'all would saw it the next day. pulled the motor out. When I got the parts, y'all would saw what parts I got. So like I said, it's another perk too on the low. You'll be getting access to my combinations that I personally use in my stuff when I'm speccing out this stuff, cause I'll be showing y'all the parts. I mean, it's the BCG Hangout. So it's like your homeboys, the people you really, or homegirls, the ones you really rock with, the people you invite to your house, cause you trust them. So man, you invite to your house, the ones that coming over here sitting with you when y'all talking, playing with, this what I got going on. The one you calling on the phone like, hey, I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that. That's what the BCG Hangout is. And you get other perks too, like it got some custom badges or something to show like the higher ranking people, how long, I guess depending on how long you been a part of it or whatever, how if you've been 3-4 months or a year or whatever, I guess the badge change colors and stuff. It's different stuff and all different emojis and stuff, or it put badges beside your name so you show up on the regular videos too. Like when you comment on the regular videos, so it basically puts you prioritized. It's like having a verified badge. if you don't know what a verified badge is, like if you're on Instagram or Facebook, somebody got a blue check mark by their name, it's usually by celebrities or big companies or business. It just make them stand out, cause you like, this somebody. That's just how it work. You like celebrity like Will Smith or somebody, they got a verified badge. So if they comment on your stuff and you got 1,000 comments, you gonna see that blue check mark. You gonna go check it. Or your DM, you see blue check marks, you stand out. You got a quicker chance of being responded to and answered and all that. So it do stuff like that too. So from what I'm reading, if you comment on regular videos, it puts like a badge by your name, so I know like, oh, this BCG Hangout. And like I said, man, I don't really care if it's a lot of people. I wouldn't care if it was 5 or 10 people, cause usually, you know, I keep a small circle anyway in real life, a very small circle in real life. So I ain't looking for it to be a lot of people. This just what I'm doing for people that, you know, the people. This the way I can provide exclusive content and make a little extra too on the side. Like I ain't gonna get on here and cap with y'all and none of that. Cause the video content free and it's free to watch. Everybody helps by watching the content, and I do greatly appreciate everybody. So I don't get on here and cap and everything. But like I said, content free to watch. Not free to produce. The camera equipment high, man. It's just time. It time consuming. Materials and stuff, like it just it costs to produce these video. But on the back end, if you run your business right, you know what you're doing, treat people right, it does yield a lot on the back end. You know, you just gotta know how to do it. And being in the game for 14 years, man, and weathering all the changes says a lot. That's why I teach so many people, man. I probably done helped some of y'all favorite YouTubers before, honest to God, and I know so many people, and I appreciate them people, cause they most of the people admit, man, they'll be like, you know, Jay done helped me. I done gave a lot of people advice because I've been in so long. And I seen the evolution of social media and where it was going. I seen how YouTube changed. I seen when this platform got monetized, the other platforms got monetized. So I got a lot of knowledge up here on how to move with social media, which is why I'm still relevant 14 years in, which is a long time. I thank God for that too. But the BCG, this video is an update about the BCG, man. The BCG Hangout is live. Like I said, if you don't see a button somewhere on the on your phone, try to get to a computer. You should be able to see it. If y'all don't see it, man, drop comments. I will be reading the comments throughout the day. Like I said, y'all got the video late, but I just want to come on here, let y'all know that the BCG Hangout is official. So if you want to go ahead and get set up, we probably gonna realistically kick out the first video at the top of the year, or if you want to wait to January, it's cool. I'm gonna kick the first video out at the top of the year, cause I already got some stuff cooking. Probably, I take that back. The first video probably be dropped next week, this month, because I already got a lot of stuff behind the scene cooking that I just haven't put on video. So and you know, like I said, I'm not saying everybody else won't get a chance to see it. I'm just saying everybody else gonna see it later. That's just what it is. Just like I did with Dolo. Y'all saw it. Y'all just saw it about 3 months later. But I still gave it to everybody. I'm being fair. Everybody else just seeing it way early. It's just like seeing the movie early. Like you see the movie 6 months before everybody else. The world still get to see it. They just saw it late. You already saw it. You already know what's going on. This and that. Or if they don't bother you, can wait. I mean, I'm gonna be doing some extra stuff too in the BCG Hangout, which I'm not gonna talk about. And like I said, I'm gonna do a video too, man. I got a way to handle too, cause I know people do stuff to be nosy. One of my guys, I seen, he said, what the hell is this? He said, Jay, you act like a grudge racer, but you don't, what he said, don't rate nobody. I took it at that one, man. I was like, that's what I tell him. I said, man, cause that's where I come from. But I do move like that. It just in me. That's all I used to do, grudge race. So, and I still, well, not, I really do it for business purposes. Which I talk about a lot of that stuff on my Facebook, cause most of the people on my Facebook, real deal people, they support. When I do my trainings and stuff on Facebook, I talk about why I move the way I move, cause I know a lot of y'all that watch on here ain't on my Facebook. At least the people that be complaining, they ain't on my Facebook, cause people ain't that creepy. I don't think so. But I talk about that, why I move the way I move and why I do stuff the way I do it or whatever, and it makes sense. And people take notes and they get that. But yeah, I be moving like that cause it's just for business. It's not necessarily that I'm not a grudge racer no more. I move like one, but it's not because I'm a grudge racer. It's because of business. The business I'm in. I mean, and it works. It works. I mean, it's beneficial. It works in my favor and what I want to do and the way. And it just worked, man. It just worked. It just come from the 14 years. It come from the 14 years. But even with that, man, like I said, I'm still gonna always, every time I drop a new car, stuff gonna be hid. It's gonna be hid for some time, man. Cost of business. I mean, if you, I don't know, you got to be in the game to really see. You really do, to understand. And sometimes you can be in the game and still don't understand. It just come with years of knowledge. It just come with years. Like you get better and smarter at doing certain stuff. If you work at it and do it long enough, yeah, you probably were doing it and making money and it was working. But after years of experience, you become more efficient. You do it better. You make more. So that's all that happened with me, man. It's just the 14 years of experience, and that's how I learned to make certain moves with certain content and handle certain comments with certain way and turn them into dollars. And it works, man. Like it just worked. But anyway, we're going to something else, man. The BCG Hangout is live, y'all. Y'all wonder when it's coming. It's coming. We're going to start kicking out content when I get the first few members. I don't care if it's two. If it's two people, they're cool with me. They'll just be, don't two people begin the exclusive content and some more stuff. But that's going to wrap it up because it's cold out here. I'm still out here getting y'all the video. So I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG, we out.